Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Non Plus Job. So আজি বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন কেইটামান লৈ আহিছোঁ এইখিনি মাজৰ পৰা এটা কুৱেশ্যন আপোনালোকে এক্সামত এটা নহয় বা দুটা দেখিব পাবই চ' বলক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ বেছি সময় নষ্ট নকৰিবলৈ যোনে যোনে প্ৰথমবাৰ আহিছে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব চেনেলটোত আৰু এনেকৈ ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু প্ৰেছ দ্য বেল আইকন প্লিজ চ' বলক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ MCQ অন চাৰ্জিং চিষ্টেম Oil exam 2025 mechanic diesel important base MCQ. So first question hole, what is the primary function of the charging system? Option kita hole power the headlight, keep the battery charged, control engine temperature, generate mechanical energy. Answer hobo keep the battery charged. Explanation মই আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে স্পেচিয়েলি এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনখিনিও লিখি দিছোঁ কিয় মানে কেলে হয় কিয় বা So the charging system's main role is to maintain the battery's charge by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. So next question, which component convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? So option kita dia goise voltage regulator, battery, generator, alternator, dynamo, cut out. So answer hobo generator. Explanation, generators, alternators and dynamos transform mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক কমেণ্ট বক্সত জনাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব দেই so next question, why are alternators prefer over dynamos? They use permanent magnets, they produce DC directly, they generate substantial current at an engine idling speed, they require a cutout, they generate substantial current at engine idling speed. Alternator kele important hai because current at engine idling speed mane generate substantial current generate kore mane. So explanation, alternators provide 20 even at idle, unlike dynamos which produce no current at low speed. Next question, what does the voltage regulator prevent? Option kita dia hoise overheating of the engine, battery overcharging and component damage, alternator bell slippage, reverse current flow. Answer hobo battery overcharging, component damage. Explanation, the regulator limits maximum voltage to protect the battery and electrical component. Next question, the cutout prevent overcharging the battery discharge into the generator, alternator overheating, voltage spikes hobo ki answer ko apnaloke hobo answer battery discharge into the generator. The cutout prevents battery discharge into the generator. So explanation, the cutout disconnects the generators when its voltage is lower than the batteries to prevent reverse current. So Fleming Wright's hand rule determine direction of magnetic field, direction of induced current, voltage output, mechanical rotation. Answer hobo direction of induced current. So explanation, the rules relate conductor motion, magnetic field and induced current direction in generator. What converts AC to DC in a dynamo? Voltage regulator, commutator, rectifier, cutout. Commutator is the correct answer. The commutator reverse coil connection to produce DC output in dynamos. Next question, a sleeping fan bell in a dynamo causes overcharging, noisy alternator, low charging rate, high voltage output. Answer hobo low charging rate. Explanation, a loose bell reduces mechanical inputs lowering the generator's output is the correct answer. এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনখিনি পঢ়ি দিলোঁ অলপ বুজি ল'ব আপোনালোকৰ নিজৰ ফালৰ পৰা মই বুজাই থাকোঁতে ভিডিঅ'টো বেছি লম্বা হৈ যায় আৰু মষ্ট প্ৰবাবলি এই ভিডিঅ'টো বহুতে নাচায় আৰু মই সেইটো নিবিচাৰোঁ যে বেলেগে বৰ পাওক মোৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ পৰা মেইন কথা সেইটো হৈ গ'ল নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, if the alternators charge in indicators does not light up, a likely cause is tight drive bell, blow your fuse in the regulator, fully charged battery, faulty headlights, blown fuse in the regulator. Explanation: the troubleshooting section lists a blow fuse as a key cause for no charging indication. Next question: what causes alternator noise? Worn bearing is the correct answer. Kele explanation: noisy alternators often result from mechanical issue like worn bearing and loose mounting. Next question: in a voltage current regulator which operate at a time, both voltage and current regulator, only the voltage regulator, only the current regulator, either voltage or current regulator. Answer hobo either voltage or current regulator. Explanation: the two regulators never operate simultaneously. One activates based on load condition. So next question: a dynamo charging at a high rate even after a full battery indicates loose fan belt, stuck voltage regulator contact, open rectifier, disconnect, cut out. Rectifiers. So your answer is stuck voltage regulator contact. Explanation: stuck contact in the regulators prevent reducing field current, causing overcharging. Next question: alternator rectifiers are responsible for converting AC to DC, regulating voltage, storing energy, cutting off reverse current. Answer hobo converting AC to DC. Alternator কাম হয় alternator rectifier are responsible for converting AC to DC. AC current to DC আনে. So explanation দিয়া গৈছে rectifiers in alternators convert alternating current to direct current for battery charging. So next question: what does the cutout series winding detect? So option kita দিয়া গৈছে generators voltage, reverse current flow, engine speed, battery temperature. Here answer to কওক আপোনালোকে কি হ'ব? Answer হ'ব reverse current flow. Explanation: the series winding senses reverse current weakening and the magnetic field to open contacts. Is reverse current flow is the correct answer. Next question: a symptom for a shorted stator winding is high charging rate, alternator noise, low voltage output, intermediate maintain charge indicators. Answer hobo low voltage output. Explanation: shorted winding reduce alternator efficiency leading to inefficient charging. Low voltage output is the correct answer. Which is not an advantage of alternator over a dynamo? Higher efficiency, no cut out, require lighter weight, uses commutator. Uses commutator is the correct answer. Alternator use rectifier, not commutator, which are found in dynamos. Next question: what is the role of the shunt winding in a cutout? Detect reverse current, sense generator voltage, limit field current, convert AC to DC, sense generator voltage is the correct answer. What is the role of the shunt winding is in cutout বুলি কৈছে sense generator voltage. Explanation দিয়া গৈছে the shunt winding responds to generator voltage to close the cutout contacts. So next question: a stuck voltage regulator contacts causes no charging, intermittent charging, overcharging, reverse current. ইয়াৰ আনচাৰ কওক যোনবিলাকে মোৰ প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যনক লৈ পেলাই ধৰি থাকে সিহঁতক সকলক কৈছোঁ ইয়াৰ আনচাৰ কওক আপোনালোকে ইমানে জানে যদি কি হ'ব কওক আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে ইমান কষ্টকৈ কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকে মোৰ প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যনত লৈ পেলাই অলপ চলপ মানুহ মইতো একদম শুদ্ধকৈতো বহুতখিনি এটা দুটাতো ভুল হয়ে ন প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যন কৰোঁতে বাট কুৱেশ্যনখিনিতো বহুত ধুনীয়াকৈ আনিছোঁ ন যি হ'লেও so for that you should appreciate my channel. Okay, fine. Your answer hobo overcharging. Stuck contact keep the field circuit energized, leading to excessive voltage. Open rectifiers in an alternator result in high charging rate, no DC output, battery discharge, voltage spikes, no DC output. Explanation: faulty rectifier block AC to DC conversion, stopping charging. Next question: the cutout disengage when generators voltage exceed battery voltage, engine speed increase, battery voltage exceed generator voltage, headlight are turned on. Your answer hobo C. Battery voltage exceed generator voltage. Is the correct answer. মানে the cutout disengage কি কৰে মানে কি disengage কৰে when কেতিয়া disengage কৰে বুলি কৈছে when battery voltage exceed generator voltage. So explanation দিয়া গৈছে reverse current flow in the battery voltage is higher, triggering the cutout to open. Thank you for watching this video. এনেকুৱা ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ subscribe কৰিব মোৰ চেনেলটো. That's all.